So now we're going to have a quick run through Dental Flix. So it's free for 30 days. So log in, make full use of your 30 days, and up to 5 people in your team can use it in that time and going forward. So after the 30 days, it is $249 per month or 199 sterling. Really, really good value. So let's have a little look inside, and it's got a huge number of resources. So we're going to log in here, and this is my manager's login, and she's able to see what everybody else on the team is looking at. So we've got, and there's a weekly onboarding as well. So we've got practice management, and we have a huge number of resources here and these are all increasing at the moment as more content creators put up their content. So from hygiene, profitability, scheduling and phone skills, leadership. If we look at this, we'll see there's actually a number of resources inside there. There's a video on building your dream team. There is a series of videos, and not just videos, there's also job description, there's also downloadables with each of these. So huge number of resources there. Now the real jewel is the marketing, because there isn't anyone else providing what's the content like here. So we've got replays of previous marketing calls. We've got Instagram series. We've got scheduling content. This Facebook boot camp has a huge amount of material. How to set up your Facebook page, how to set up audiences, and we've used this really successfully in our practice. How to use Asana for Teams, how to use Canva, how to use Google My Business, YouTube. The YouTube videos are really good, some really good information there on how to maximize your videos and how to put them across all platforms and start showing up everywhere. Google Ads, how to copyright, TikTok, and not only is there all that training, but there's also campaigns. So you've got your marketing campaigns, social media images, and there's also funnels and email sequences. So you can actually run your own Invisalign campaign, or you can talk to your marketing people with knowledge and show them what's here. So it's all set up here, and it includes your follow-up emails to your patients, and you do need ClickFunnels an account to set up a funnel, but there's a free 2-week account, and then if you're successful, you can continue and do all the other campaigns. There's a whole series of campaigns there. And then if you look at resources, there's a huge amount of downloadables here. So basically you've got everything here to run your practice. And I've used this platform and part of it since 2016, and I've had huge 10 times growth, and actually there's a lot more to come. And for any practice that uses this, it gives you a template, and you can work, if you work through this, you will see huge growth in your practice.